Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time watching me, hello, my name is April and I'm a cosmetics slash skincare chemist. So on this channel, I talk about the back end and front end of all things skincare, ranging from product development, formulation, and usage. Today's video is sponsored by HiSmile's, so thank you HiSmile's for sponsoring this video. And today I'll be telling you about their new ingredient innovation that has made their popular teeth whitening kit even better than it was before. Some of you guys may already know of this brand. They've been used time and time again by some of the biggest names out there. And as a chemist, I love discovering new, safe, effective, innovative products. So I took a personal interest when I saw that HiSmile was developing a new gel formula now with 3 powerful new ingredients, which are PAP, hydroxyapatite, and potassium nitrate. Now, PAP is the active ingredient. Hydroxyapatite is the remineralizing agent. Potassium nitrite is what prevents tooth sensitivity. Now, believe me, in the past, I've been in doubt of teeth whitening companies. I've tried strips, other gels, films, and nothing has ever seemed to work. So believe me when I tell you that this formula is the real deal. I know you guys are probably wondering what makes this new formula different from what it was in the past. So the past formula contained sodium bicarbonate and sodium chloride actives, which was used to remove surface stains on the teeth, but now it contains PAP. PAP is a non-toxic whitening agent proven to have superior teeth whitening performance in mild, non-aggressive conditions. PAP also has anti-plaque and long-lasting antibacterial benefits. Some of the other important features of PAP is that it has great destaining efficacy. It has long-lasting bacterial load reduction in the mouth. There's no release of hydrogen peroxide, and it needs just a very low dose requirement to work. Therefore, with PAP, you're going to get no sensitivity, no pain, no enamel breakdown, which are really common with most OTC over-the-counter products, teeth whitening agents that you see in the stores. This formula is amazing. There's been so many studies, blind studies, where they've compared 2 placebo groups where they've had one group have like a hydrogen peroxide agent in their teeth whitener and another group without a hydrogen peroxide agent in their teeth whitener. And after only a few days, they noticed that there was a significant change in the whitening of the people that had non-hydrogen peroxide agents in their teeth whiteners versus the people that did have hydrogen peroxide. So what does that tell us? That tells us that this formula works a lot quicker and it doesn't damage your enamel, cause pain, or cause tooth demineralization, which are all agents that lead to tooth sensitivity. This formula has been carefully formulated with the addition of these 3 amazing ingredients that have so many amazing benefits. If you've been a long-time fan, I know you're wondering if there's some natural products contained in this new formula, and absolutely yes, you do still get all of your natural products. So you do still have your aloe vera, your pomegranate, and your chamomile. These 3 natural ingredients work together to control plaque, increase healing power, decrease inflammation, and kill bacteria that may be present in the mouth. When you get your HiSmile box, it comes in a box that looks like this. And when you open it up, you get a couple of syringes at the top. You get a mouth guard or a teeth guard. And then you get an You also get an LED battery that attaches to the mouth guard. And then also you get, what do you think this is? You get a teeth guide. This helps you track your results throughout the time that you are on your HiSmile journey. Now let's talk about the teeth whitening process. This has a very simple 3-step teeth whitening process. So you fit the tray to the LED battery. You apply the gel to the mouth tray using the syringe. And you're going to place the tray in your mouth, turn on the LED light, and start to whiten. The LED light will automatically shut off after 10 minutes. So easy, right? For best results, you do want to follow some of the tips I'm going to give you to make sure that you have the best whitening journey. Number 1, brush your teeth before you whiten. Very important. 2, make sure you use 1 application every night before bed. 3, take before and after photos to keep track of all of your results. 4, use for 6 consecutive nights. And finally, limit or avoid food or drinks that may cause your teeth to get stained. Personally, my experience with this product has been amazing. I love it so much. I personally started on shade 7 on the shade card, and after 6 consecutive uses, I'm up to shade 4. So imagine what would happen with more continued use of this product. I wish you guys the best in your HiSmile journey. I talk a lot about skincare on this channel, but I also wanted to mix it up today and start talking about hygiene and things that can also make your skin look better, because when your teeth is glowing, your skin automatically looks better. I hope I've been able to convince you to go get yourself the new HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. It really is a great formula, you guys. I promise you will not regret it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more skincare videos and hygiene videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Finally, if you have tried this new formula, please leave a comment down below what your experience has been like. I would really like to know that. If you haven't tried this product, I would definitely leave a link in the description box below so you can go get this product as soon as possible and start your journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!